Leftover food. Oy! Buang ka talaga. Sayang.
Oh, it's free. That's a great thing. Why? Stop.
Follow.
Go, 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 Power Rangers. They have own bakery, bro. Ay! Ay, ito, meron pala nito. Yung bread, ano? Lemon bread.
Papi, can we ask for sample?
Oh, they have also have baking something like that. May ganito ba? Ba't di ko nakikita sa taas to? Tinatago nila dito sa ilalim, boss. Yung ganyan, nakakita ka ng ganyan.
Zoe asked, can I have a sample?
Zoe, go ask. Can I have a sample? Baking.
They use that. They use that machine to make the dough.
But they are all clean, bro. Mamaya na food poison na tayo dyan. Pag kinakita nyo, wala na.
Oh! Yeah, do you want me to tell? So, pagkaan hindi mo natanda.
Ha?
Napakalaki ko ako. Pero sila, mga nagaya ko sila. Hindi nagkakamali-mali. Hindi nakakalabas. Ikaw, lagi ka namamali-mali, nakakalabas ka. Nakabas pa yun ang trabaho.
No, mainit dito sa ilalim.
Wala. Walang time.